All right, students, welcome to my backyard. We're going to do an experiment where we measure air temperature and precipitation for a few days, and we're going to compare it to climate data. So weather is short-term daily conditions, and climate are long-term averages. So let's look at the setup. This is my pole for my bird feeders, and I've got a thermometer, but my thermometer is behind and under this pizza box. So I need to protect my thermometer from the sunshine. That's the purpose of the box. From the ground, I've got my thermometer about chest high. And from the building, or any buildings that are nearby. And my house is behind me about 25 feet. That will keep the sun from artificially warming up my thermometer, the ground from artificially cooling or heating it, and the building from artificially cooling or heating my thermometer. And I want to get an accurate air temperature, not temperatures of sun or ground or buildings. So we got it a few feet off the ground, protected from the sun. You could also use maybe a picnic table if you had something like that in your backyard. But again, you'd kind of need to be careful to protect it from the sun and from false reading. Maybe touching the picnic table might affect it as well. For precipitation, I've got this little bird food tray, which I've emptied out, and a glass. Now, I probably don't need to strap it down, but I did just in case so it won't blow away. This is a kitchen glass, so I think it's heavy enough that it won't move, and it has this little lip around the bird feeder, so I think we're safe there. Every day, I'm going to take a ruler, stick it down in there, and measure how much precipitation I've received. And I am going to then empty it out every day, once per day. Note that my ruler starts at about 1/4 of an inch, or maybe a millimeter, well, maybe about 6 millimeters. So I need to subtract that amount from my measurement when I measure to the bottom of the cup.